The question is, describe a very intelligent person you know. You should say, who is this person? When and where you first met this person, what this person does in life, for example, work or study, and explain why you think this person is intelligent. You have a minute to think about it, and then later on, you have to answer for about a minute or two, at least a minute.
Okay, I'd like to give a talk about one of the most intelligent persons I've ever met. This person is my literature teacher from the high school. I first met my teacher, her name is Inna, when I was 15 years old. And this person led me into the world of Russian literature, and with a very sophisticated and gentle manner taught me how to read, how to express my ideas and thoughts on different pieces of literature from Russian literature and also from European. This person helped me to write my course essay devoted to unusual new word formation words from one piece of literature, and we even went to the university to represent this essay to this report to students, and she taught me how to organize information and how to write my course paper, and it helped me a lot in the future when I was writing my course work and my diploma in the institute. And I think that such teachers are just the greatest gift from the heaven, because they can show your way in the future. And I'm not a literature teacher now, but thanks to this person, I was taught how to systemize and analyze information and how to write it in a beautiful way to be understood.
Right, absolutely fine. Right.